In this video, we will show you how to remote desktop on Windows 11. To remote desktop on Windows 11, the first requirement is your Windows 11 must on Pro version or Ultimate version. You cannot using remote desktop if you are using Windows 11 with Home version. You can see here, I'm using Windows 11 with Pro version. And you cannot using the remote desktop application on the home version of your Windows, but you can still using third-party application. In here, I'm using remote desktop bring default by Windows 11 Pro. And to using remote desktop, first we need to have our virtual computer that we want to remote. We need the computer name or IP address like this, or it can be domain name, and the user and the password. After that, we can just type in the search bar remote desktop connection. We can just click open in here, and please paste the IP address. For example, this is my virtual computers, and click connect. And please copy the password and click OK in here. After that, we can click yes. And this is our virtual computers that we can remote in here. As you can see, in here I'm using virtual computers by Amazon. And this is the Windows Server. And that's very easy. How to using remote desktop on Windows 11. The requirement is you have computer that you want to remote, and you must using Windows 11 Pro or Ultimate, not using Windows 11 Home version. And that's all tutorial how to do remote desktop on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.